Good morning, master traders and money magnets. It's another week, a new week of trading for all of us. I'm so excited for all the money we are going to make this week. Thank you, Lord, in advance. We attract what we embody, not what we want. We attract what we embody, not what we want. So let's embody being a master trader. Let's embody being a money magnet. Speaking of being a master trader, see, this is what master traders do. We trade what's in front of us. Not what we think, not what we feel, but we trade what's in front of us. So the point of Uncle Charter's YouTube video is to identify the levels and setups so that we can trade it unbiasedly in real time. Now, the last time we spoke on futures, I mentioned the 59.93 level. That's a fib level. That level managed to clear last Friday, and as you guys can see this morning, it's actually behaving as a support level. You guys can see the 59.93 level, which is a previous sell zone. As you guys can see in the previous week, lots of wicks from that area. It was a sell zone all up in that area. But today, you guys can see this morning, Friday we cleared. Today, it's serving as a support. So I recommend you guys watching that 59.93 level. As long as above it, we are bullish on futures. The reason is it was a sell zone that's now turning into a potential buy zone. We're seeing evidence of buying pressure as of recording this video. We cleared that level, so that means as long as above, the breakout from last Friday stays intact. And as long as the breakout stays intact, I recommend for all of us, including myself, to stay bullish. Next resistance that I have is at 6,025. 60.25. If 60.25 clears, we are going to 60.50, 6,050, 6,084, 61.12, and 61.40 would all be my target. So let's keep it simple. Simplicity is not the most marketing thing in the world because it's not dramatic, but focused on the simplicity. Do what the majority of people aren't willing to do and focus on the simplicity. As long as above 59.93, you should stay long. And if we clear 6,025, that is bullish follow through. We're heading up higher. Now, if you want to go short, you have to wait for the right setup from the price action, just like with anything else. And 59.93 is that level. If it fails, that's when you want to go short. If 59.93 fails, I have 59.75, which was a resistance from last week, a resistance from last Friday actually, clearing 59.75. And if you long that breakout, that was very nice. But if it breaks down 59.93 and 59.75, there's a good chance we are pulling back all the way back down to 59.42. I have a level around 59.28 and possibly all the way back down to 59.03. But it will only be possible by breaking down 59.93 and 59.75 to put those lower targets in play. Otherwise, like I said, stay bullish above 59.93, and I do favor more upside. I do have a minor resistant level at 60.16. 60.16. If that level clears, we can go and retest 60.25, and above 60.25 is a great chance. It's a great chance we go hit 60.50 or higher. Above 60.25 would also be a breakout of this triangle pattern. And below 59.93 and 59.75 would also be a breakdown of that pattern. So besides the fib levels, we do have a structure here to watch. So let's keep it simple. Know the levels, know the setups, and trade it unbiasedly. That means up or down, it doesn't matter. We trade it level to level, get your money, leave a runner if you want to catch a home run move. Keep it simple. And then we reset from scratch. Now, NASDAQ cleared my 1.236 fib level, which was at 21,759. That is now support. We are seeing some evidence of buying pressure around that area. Not pinpoint accurate at that level, but around that area, there are some buying pressure. There are people seeing this level and they're trying to long it a little bit. As of right now, not seeing any strength. If there is bullish strength, if this buying pressure does have some strength behind it, staying above 21,759 is a start, but clearing 21,881 would be bullish follow through. But in 21,980, 22,078, and 22,218 plus in play. Only possible if we stay above 21,759 and clearing 21,881. 881. I usually use the 15 to the 30-minute chart. The higher the better, but no lower than the 15-minute chart. Now, if we are gonna short, 21,759 must fail as support to put 21,654 in play. Now, 21,654 is the support of this wedge that I have. If that breaks down, that would be bearish. Put in 21,562, 21,383, 21,243, and 21,144 in play. That will be in breakdown mode. So bears want the breakdown of 21,759 and 21,664. Otherwise, if bulls can get the breakout of 21,881, they tried it last week and failed. But if they can do it this week, that would be bullish, and it would make sense that NASDAQ would head back to the top of this wedge. Guys, I hope you found value in this video. That is my goal, to bring you guys value, to turn you guys, matter of fact, turn you guys. Who the heck I think I am? You guys are money magnets. We are money magnets. Say it with me. We are money magnets. Sheep style trading money magnets. Middle fingers to the market makers. Bye.